Kitui Governor Dr. Julius Malombe says Lower Eastern Region will only vote for NASA if Kalonzo Musyoka was picked as its flag bearer. The governor was, however, quick to tell leaders from the area that they should accord Kalonzo genuine support, not just for his candidature to propel them into elective positions. According to Malombe, some leaders from Ukambani may not be giving Kalonzo genuine support. He was speaking in Ikuitha, Kitui South.
We who reside in the area of Kenya known as Southeastern Kenya, we are supporting His Excellency Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka in his bid to be the NASA presidential candidate. And we say we are happy other people who in the past have not been supporting Mheshimiwa Kalonzo, now they are coming and expressing their support for him. But we are saying this, if you are coming and expressing support for Kalonzo, we want you to be genuine. Hatutaki kusikia saa za mchana during the day unaonekana na Kalonzo. Saa za jioni usiku unaonekana na wale wengine ambao wanashindana na yeye.